Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Audacity, which is a podcast voice recording. First of all, let's get a track. Studio track. Okay, let's test. Record. Okay, start. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. Let's listen again.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so if you want to add background music, let's go to find it. Okay, free sound. This is you can get free without paying anything. So there's so many sounds that you can choose. For example, okay, there it is. Okay, let's choose this one. First, you should have an account so that you can download it. Just wait for a few seconds. So while you're doing, you can still add. You can continue that from there, and you can pause it. And if you want again, you can still continue and speak what you have to say. Okay. Okay, once we're done downloading, let's go to import. Go to file, and it's import audio. Then we'll see this one. Okay. Then let's play it.
Hello, testing.
But that background sound is very loud. Then just pull them down. And if you want your
Still
phone,
continue and speak what you have to say. Okay.
okay. So if you don't want to repeat anymore, but you still want to speak the same, then you can even select it and Ctrl C, copy it, and paste it. So
You can still continue and speak
yes.
what you have to say. Okay.
Okay, so if you don't want it this side anymore, then you can also delete it. Just click it and okay. So this is the sample.
Continue that from there, and you can pause it. You can still continue and speak what you have to say. Okay. You can still continue and speak what you have to say.
So also background music also. Okay, so first if you want to save it, let's go to export first to MP3. Okay. Then this box will come out. Who is the artist? What is the track title? And what is the title? Let's write something. And the track number if you have, and here this year 2018 general comments. Okay, Okay. So it's exporting to your screen. So you can listen it as MP3.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Can continue that from there, and you can pause it. You can still continue and speak.
So this is the simple way of using Audacity podcast. Thank you very much.